The new case packer monoblock from FAMS has been developed for all the industrial markets. We'll learn more with the sales manager of the company, Stefano Cacciari. FAMS is exhibiting at the edition 2026 of Interpack, as usual. Stefano, what kind of solution you are showcasing here?
We are showcasing here our latest development of our product platform called Kompatta, which is a machine monoblock suitable to perform several tasks on American cases, such as carton erecting, carton loading, and carton sealing, all in one machine.
Did you develop this line for specific industrial targets?
We are a very flexible company with flexible machines. This sort of machines can be applied to different fields, from beverage to food to pharmaceutical, home care, personal care, chemical and agrochemical. So lots of markets that can be suitable for this solution.
So, in 3 words, what are the main advantages of this solution?
The main advantages of this solution is that it's an excellent alternative to manual operations and to the machines that are currently in the market for packaging products on American cases. With this machine, we will get high speed, like 25 cases a minute, with a payload of 80 kilograms, with quick changeovers, small maintenance schedules, and we will have high efficiency and also less space needed and less power consumption.
This is the first day at Interpack. What are your main expectations for this edition?
Main expectations, this is a very important trade fair. Worldwide, we export our products everywhere in the world, so we expect a lot of customers coming to see us from everywhere to explore new markets.
So let's see what Interpack 2026 will reserve to all of us.